This video is for general financial education only and is not personal financial advice. Please make decisions based on your own situation.
If I had $10,000 in credit card debt, the first thing I would do is not panic. Credit card debt feels heavy because the interest keeps working against you every month. If you only make minimum payments, a lot of your money goes to interest instead of reducing the balance. Step 1 is to stop the bleeding. I would stop using the credit card immediately because you cannot escape debt while still adding new debt. For daily spending, I would switch to debit, cash, or a fixed spending limit. Step 2 is to write down the full debt picture. For every card, write the balance, interest rate, minimum payment, and due date. This helps you see which debt is hurting you the most. Step 3 is to build a small starter emergency fund. This protects you from using the credit card again when a small emergency happens. While building this small fund, I would keep paying at least the minimum on every card. Step 4 is to choose a payoff method. The avalanche method pays the highest interest rate first and usually saves the most money. The snowball method pays the smallest balance first and gives faster motivation. The best method is the one you will actually follow consistently. Step 5 is to create an extra payment every month. I would look for temporary cuts in subscriptions, takeout, shopping, and small daily spending. Even an extra $250 a month can make a big difference over time. The key is to attack one card at a time while paying minimums on the rest. Step 6 is to ask for help lowering the interest. I would call the card company and ask if they can lower the APR or offer a hardship option. I might also compare balance transfer cards or personal loans, but only if the fees and terms truly help. A lower interest option only works if you do not use it as permission to borrow more. Let's say I had $10,000 in debt, a $250 minimum payment, and $400 extra each month. That means I could send $650 a month toward the debt. The balance would not disappear overnight, but every month I would be buying back my freedom. I would track the balance every month so I could see progress instead of only feeling stress. So the plan is simple. Stop using the card, list the debt, build a small emergency fund, choose a payoff method, and make extra payments. Credit card debt is serious, but it is not a life sentence. With a clear plan, you can get out. Comment below how much credit card debt you are trying to pay off, even if you just say a range. And subscribe for more videos in the 90-Day Money Reset series.
If this helped you see money differently, hit that like button and subscribe because I break down money in a way that actually makes sense. I'll see you in the next one.